Hello, today I'm going to be talking about ethanol for the biofuel video project. A little bit about the background of ethanol. Ethanol is a flammable and colorless liquid known as ethyl alcohol. Ethanol was first used to power an engine in 1826, and it was later used to power an early engine for the inventor of the modern four-cycle internal combustion engine, Nicolaus Otto. How is ethanol produced? Ethanol can be produced in both natural and industrial ways. It is produced naturally by the fermentation of sugars by yeast. It is also produced industrially by petrochemical processes. However, most of the ethanol produced in the United States is from starch-based crops by dry or wet mill processing, nearly or about 90%. The development status of ethanol. The naturally produced ethanol, first generation, is well established. However, the industrially produced by using biomasses, second and third generation, is still in development. The fermentation process of ethanol can be either by batch, fed batch, or continuous. Most ethanol plants are located in the Midwest, close to corn production areas. Ethanol is used as a solvent in laboratory settings due to its effectiveness in dissolving various substances. The impact of ethanol on the carbon footprint. After the integration of corn into ethanol in 2005, the carbon footprint of the United States of ethanol has been reduced. The use of ethanol lowers greenhouse gas emissions as it burns cleaner than gasoline and it is made from sustainable sources. A negative impact is that it can lead to soil erosion, water overuse, and pollution from fertilizer runoff. The carbon footprint of ethanol varies depending on feedstock, farming practices, and the production technology. The economic impact of ethanol. The ethanol industry has a significant positive impact on the economy of the U.S. The industry created $32.5 billion in household income and contributed just over $54.2 billion to the nation's gross domestic product. It has been expressed by RFA President Geoff Cooper that the ethanol industry has made an enormous contribution to our economic vitality and environmental well-being. Efforts to communicate the use of ethanol. Some good options to spread knowledge about ethanol would be public awareness projects, explicit labeling at gas stations, inclusion in teaching plans at all schools, and the use of ethanol in other industries like car manufacturing. My current analysis and plan of action. My recommendation for the next steps is that we need to commercialize the use of ethanol, especially as it can be created naturally through fermentation and can become more environmentally friendly substitute or fuel material. The clear labeling of this product would also encourage further investigation, progress, and utilization. I would like to propose the upgrading of fueling stations for higher education utilization of ethanol, as well as utilizing sustainable agricultural practices to increase the production of materials utilized for the production of ethanol, like sugarcane or corn. Lastly, I would expand the exposure and knowledge by adding it to the teaching curriculum at schools. These are my citations. Thank you so much for listening.